Today I'll be making fisherman soup, also called fresh fish soup. The full list of the ingredients are in the description box below. Okay guys, let's start cooking. I start with oil. This fisherman soup, I love oil. Oil is the first part of it. It's very important. Red oil. So the oil needs to be melted and not to be too hot, otherwise you'll be having the fire engine in your house with the lamp. So then you put your onions and all the spicy, I'm going to be using for the soup, for my fisherman soup. Well, I call it soup because where I come from, this is what we call soup because we eat it with fufu. I love fresh fish. You know, fish are always the best. If I have to choose between fish and meat, I will always go for fish. It's so healthy and I love the taste of it. So now I'll be putting my fresh fish first. Just don't mind the head because all the flavor they are in there, so you do not have to eat it. But there we go. Like I said, where I come from, this is how we made it. Everything here is fresh. Well, everything that I'll be using on my fisherman soup are all fresh. Then I'll be putting my crabs, fresh crab. When I bought this crab, they were still alive. Yeah, after putting my crab finish, I'll be putting my squid inside. I love squid. I wash it so good. For me, seafood, it's so important for me. And number one, I love washing all my seafood by myself because I love my things to be clean and neat. Yeah, it's looking great. It's bubbly. The thing why I put all my fish and crabs and squid together and prawn, this is one thing about the fisherman soup, which is we call it the fresh fish soup. It's all these fresh fish, they need the same time of cooking because they don't have blood. It's so easy. It's so easy to cook. So for that, you do not need to put fish first, then you put the squid, then you put crab because you do not have time for all this. You put them all together, they need the same time, the same minute. You put them in. They do their thing together. There is my thickener that I'll be using. I use it to thicken my soup. My thickener, it's called Ibaba, which is just my native name. Anyway, you can go on Google and type in Ibaba and yeah, they'll bring it out for you and yeah, the name will pop out and you can see what it is. You use it to thick the soup. It's a thickener. You do not need much of it, otherwise your soup gonna be so heavy and then you won't be able to use fufu on them anymore or gari on them. So there, you need a tiny bit of it just to make the soup stick a little bit on your fufu while you are eating it. Me, I love so much fresh soup and they're amazing. They taste so great. One thing about fresh soup, fresh fish soup, it's this fisherman soup. You do not stir it so much. It's just like put the spoon so that they don't just they get stuck or burn. I know it's non-stick pot, but you still need to like just put the spoon through them and you don't stir it all around, otherwise you risk of scattering the fish. So if you still want the fish to come out the way you put them, you just need to shake in the pot so that they know that, oh, they don't want us to get stuck. Yeah, it's bubbly, it's looking great. It looks ready, and I'll be putting my Utazi leaf. I just love the smell, the scent of the Utazi leaf. That is what I'll be putting. I love Utazi leaf. I don't know where you are. If you find the fresh one, it's even more amazing. But this is the dry one I found here. And you just need to soak it in the water for some minutes and wash it very well. And it's good to use. It's a very simple and easy soup to make when it comes to fresh fish soup. It's the most easier thing and the most simple food to make. Hi guys, just want to remind you not to forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your notifications to never miss a new all sorts video. Okay guys, I'm done with cooking. I'm hungry, I'm starving, I want to eat. So it looks like our fish soup or fisherman soup, it's ready. So yeah, this is what it looks like at the end. Very coloring, and it smells of the sea, and oh gosh, I can't wait to dive into this. Anyway, this is it.